Okay, I have to show you this. This is a cute little, whoops, canister. It's like a ceramic coated, kind of like those camping cups or whatever. And it's for bacon grease. You just put your bacon grease in there. Actually, I'll just show you here. It comes with a little lid. It comes with a cute little spoon here. It has the cute little graphic on the front there with the pig on it. But it also comes with this little filter screen here that you put on there, and you pour your grease through there so all your little crudlets don't get into your bacon grease down in there. I don't have any bacon grease right this minute. As we get some bacon, and we'll have some bacon grease, and then we can put it in there, and got the little lid and the little spoon. You can get your little bacon grease out of there, and really super nice and very, very cute, and very feels really well made. Very nice metal. It's not super thin, you know, cheap pot metal or anything like that. I really like it. And it's so cute. It'll be really cute on our kitchen counter. And of course we have a lot of red stuff in our kitchen also, so it'll match everything in our kitchen very nicely. And they sent this to us so we could show it to you. It's just like super duper cute, and I like it. And like I said, it's really nice, well made, and it's got the nice little trim around the top there, well made. And I thought it might be a little bit it's really nice, sturdy, heavy. It's not really thin or anything like that. So very, very nice. I like that. As soon as we get some bacon, we're going to have some bacon grease. Ha ha. How about that? Thanks for sending that.